In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blend photo edges in Canva. We'll start right in your browser. Head over to canva.com and make sure you're logged in so you can access all your projects and tools without interruptions. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the left and click on Templates. From there, choose Poster as your design type. Poster gives you a generous canvas to work on and makes it easier to see the edge details we're about to soften. When the poster page opens, go ahead and click Create Blank to start with a clean workspace. Now let's bring in your photo. On the left panel, click Uploads, then upload or select the image you want to use. Drag it onto the canvas and resize it by pulling the corners. Place it roughly in the middle so the fade looks even on all sides. Centering helps the effect feel balanced and gives you room around the edges to create a smooth blend. Next, we'll add the Fade tool. Click on Apps in the left panel and type Image Blender into the search bar, then hit Enter. Click the first result that appears. Inside Image Blender, choose the Radial option. Radial creates a soft circular fade that gradually blends the edges, which is perfect for portraits, product shots, or any image where you want attention to stay in the center. You'll see a circle overlay that controls how the fade behaves. Increase the size of the circle so it extends well beyond the subject, especially if you want a subtle, professional, feathered edge. The larger the circle, the more gradual the transition from the center of the image to the faded edges. Think of it like a spotlight in reverse. A bigger circle means a gentler, more natural fall off. Now adjust the strength. This setting determines how intense the edge fade looks. Lower strength gives a very soft, barely there blend, while higher strength creates a more pronounced fade that can eliminate hard lines around the photo. Move the slider slowly and watch how the edges change, aiming for a look that enhances your image without washing out important details. If your subject sits close to the edges, go lighter on strength and make the circle larger to keep faces or key elements crisp. When you're happy with the blend, take a moment to review the overall balance on your canvas. With the photo centered, a nicely sized circle, and a well-chosen strength, you'll have a clean, polished fade that draws the eye exactly where you want it.